Hi, I'm going to air fry the classic chiko roll. See how we go. You can air fry them. It's got instructions on the back. You got to preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes and then cook them for 15 to 17 minutes on 180. We'll see how we go there. These are frozen. Put it in. $180 for, we'll go 17 minutes, and I'll check it halfway, and we'll turn them over and cook the rest of it and see what happens. Let's have a look. Oh, looks all right. Looks like she's done. All tight. I'm going to put some salt on it. I like salt on everything. Got to have salt on that. All right, I'm going to let it sit there for 5-10 minutes because it's going to be too hot and it'll burn my mouth off. And I'll get back to you. All right, we'll give her a try. Look, it even comes with the bags. Got to put it in the bag to eat it. Too hot to hold it. Like the old days. Let's try it. That's crunchy. Just tastes like it's been deep fried. It's good. Nothing wrong with that. See you on the next one.